Hey there everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something super awesome to share with you. I'm going to show you how to unlock the complete version of Sims 4 with all the DLCs, totally free in 2023. Take a look at my screen. See those incredible DLCs? I'm in Sims 4, and as you can see, I've got a bunch of them. These DLCs are seriously amazing, and guess what? In this video, I'll walk you through getting a coupon code that unlocks all of them. If you're curious about getting your hands on Sims 4 with all the DLCs, keep watching. But here's the deal. Just a quick reminder that this method works only on mobile devices like iPhones and Androids. Don't worry though, once you've got the code, you can use it on other devices like your desktop or laptop. So, if you've got a mobile device handy, let's dive in and get started. Here's what we're going to do. Open up your web browser and head over to a website called lucidcoupons.com. This place has a bunch of codes and coupons, but today we're focusing on Sims 4. Once you're on the website, search for Sims 4 game code. Click on See More, and you'll find the coupon along with its description. Tap Show Coupon, and the coupon will be locked. No worries though, unlocking it is super simple and takes less than 15 minutes. Okay, now hit Unlock Code. This will take you to a page where you'll need to complete at least 2 offers to unlock your code. Don't worry, these offers are super well explained and really easy to do. They might be different based on where you are and the time you're doing this, but believe me, it's totally worth it. For example, one offer might ask you to install a game and reach a certain level. Another one might be even easier, just asking you to install an app and play around with it for a bit. Sometimes, if you've had the app installed before, it might not work. Just make sure it's your first time using it. I'll be back with you once I've completed these offers. Alright, I'm back. I've completed all the offers and it only took about 10 minutes. Now I'll head back to Lucid Coupons, refresh the page, and then click on Show Coupon. Look at that, your code is now successfully unlocked. Just like you can see on my screen, it worked like a charm. It's a quick process that takes around 10 minutes, and trust me, it's absolutely worth it. All you need to do is copy and paste this code onto Steam and you'll have Sims 4 with all the DLCs. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks a ton for tuning in and goodbye.